Is your car acting possessed, flashing warning lights, stalling, or flat out refusing to start? Before you hand over $500 to a mechanic just to have them plug in a scanner, stop right there. In the next few minutes, you'll learn a $0 method to reset your car's electronics right at home. No tools, no scanner, and no nonsense. These insider steps, whispered among pros, have saved drivers thousands in repair bills. Step 5 might shock you. It could save your car when it won't even start. Ready to take control like the pros? Let's dive in. Step 1. Reset the ECU without fancy tools. Did you know your car's ECU, engine control unit, is basically the brain of your vehicle? It controls fuel efficiency, idle speed, throttle response, and even those strange moments when your car feels possessed, revving weirdly or running rough. The scary part? A glitchy ECU can trick you into thinking something major is broken when it's really just software confusion. Here's the secret. After disconnecting the battery, press and hold the ignition button for 15 seconds to drain every last bit of stored energy from the ECU's capacitors. Once you reconnect the battery, let the car idle for 5 minutes. No revving, no driving. This forces the ECU to relearn everything from scratch, almost like giving your car a brand new brain. Skip a step though, and the reset won't work. Step 2. Clean your sensor connectors. Think a $1,200 ECU replacement is your only option when your car acts up? Think again, sometimes the real villain is nothing more than dirty sensor connectors. Here's the trick. Unplug key sensors like oxygen, temperature, or pressure, then spray the connectors with contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Use an old toothbrush to scrub away that nasty green corrosion, the ECU's worst enemy. Snap everything back in tight and you'll often see instant results. Smoother idling, better fuel economy, and no more random stalling. Step 3. Drive to relearn your sensors. Feel like your car's driving weird after a reset? Don't panic, that's totally normal. When the battery is disconnected or the ECU gets reset, your car basically becomes a blank slate, erasing all the memory it had of your driving habits. The first few miles may feel strange with high revs, jerky shifts, or rough idling. Here's the trick. Drive smoothly for 20 to 30 miles. Avoid hard braking or aggressive acceleration, and let the system relearn. It's like teaching your car to drive again. Soon it'll run smoother and more responsive than ever. Step 4. Recalibrate the throttle body. Tired of your car hesitating every time you hit the gas? That annoying delay could be caused by a miscalibrated electronic throttle body, the part responsible for controlling airflow into your engine. When it's out of sync, your car may stall, hesitate, or even surge forward at random, making every drive frustrating and sometimes unsafe. Mechanics often charge around $200 to reset it, but here's the free fix you can try at home. With the engine off, turn the ignition to on without starting, let it idle untouched for 3 minutes, shut it off, wait 10 seconds, and repeat 3 times. This simple car yoga resets the throttle, restoring smooth and responsive acceleration. Step 5. Unlock the anti-theft immobilizer. Car won't start even though the battery is perfectly fine? Chances are your anti-theft immobilizer is silently blocking you from driving. The truth is, most cars can be reset at home with a simple trick that works on 90% of vehicles. Here's how. Insert your key and turn it to on, but don't start. Wait 10 minutes, then turn it off for 5 seconds. Repeat this cycle 3 times, and on the 4th, start your car. This Morse code unlocks your ride for free. Step 6. Disconnect the battery. Like a pro, want to know the reset mechanics? Dread you learning? Disconnecting your car's battery isn't just cutting power. It's like pressing the ultimate restart button on your car's brain, the electronic control unit, ECU. This little trick clears out stubborn error codes behind those annoying dashboard lights, rough idles, or random engine stutters. The key is doing it the right way. Always remove the negative terminal first, because touching the positive to the chassis can short-circuit your system and fry the ECU, a mistake that costs thousands. Grab a wrench, loosen the negative terminal, and step back. Now here's the crucial part. Wait exactly 15 minutes. Not 10, not 20. That's how long it takes the ECU's capacitors to fully discharge, wiping out ghost codes. Step 7. Clear dashboard warning lights. Why pay $50 just to clear a pesky check engine light when you can do it yourself in minutes? Here's the secret. Your car's computer holds on to old error codes even when the actual problem is already fixed, like a brain clinging to bad memories. Instead of running to a mechanic, try this zero-cost reset. With the engine off, turn the key to on without starting. Press the gas pedal to the floor 5 times quickly within 10 seconds. On the 5th press, hold it down for 15 seconds. A beep or flickering light signals success. That's it. Error codes erased, dashboard lights gone. Step 8. Drain residual power with a brake pedal. Here's a car hack so wild it sounds fake. But it came straight from a BMW engineer and it works. When you disconnect your battery, you'd think your car is fully powered down, right? Wrong. Hidden inside your car's electronic system are capacitors, tiny storage units that cling to leftover electricity. That means error codes and glitches can survive a simple battery pull. But here's the secret. After disconnecting the battery, step inside, press the brake pedal hard for 15 seconds, and you'll drain that trapped energy through the brake light circuit. Think of it like squeezing the last drop out of a sponge. Skip it, and your reset is wasted. Step 9. Recalibrate electronic power steering. Steering feel like a workout or so loose it's scary? That's your electronic power steering, EPS, crying for help. Instead of paying hundreds at a shop, you can reset it yourself in minutes and bring back smooth, balanced handling. Here's the trick. Start the car, then turn the steering wheel fully left and hold for 5 seconds, then fully right and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat this cycle 3 times. Think of it like recalibrating a gaming joystick. The system relearns its limits and suddenly your steering feels effortless again. Step 10. Reset the climate control system. Is your car's AC acting like it has mood swings? Blasting hot air one moment and icy cold the next? Don't panic or rush to a mechanic just yet. In most cases, your climate control system simply needs a quick reset, and you can do it yourself in under a minute. This trick during a brutal 108 degrees Fahrenheit heat wave, and it saved hundreds. Just hold the max and min temperature buttons, start the engine, let the system recalibrate, and boom! Your AC will be back to blowing crisp, frosty air. In conclusion, you just saved hundreds, maybe thousands. You've mastered a full electronic reset without a mechanic, scanner, or emptying your wallet. Dealerships charge $300 to $800 for these fixes, but you did it for free. These are the insider tricks mechanics use when no one's watching. Which step worked for you? Share your car's issue and how you fixed it in the comments below. Your story could save another driver from a shady shop. If this guide saved you a fortune, spread the word so others can take control of their car repairs too.